Good morning, you guys. I was trying to respond to y'all's comments. Yeah. I get my bangs. I'm pretty sure he just woke up and realized I was here. Pippin's in the floor over here making noise too. Cool. Yep, you can't eat my hair. Well, y'all keep saying y'all want to see my face. This is kind of a morning routine for us. When he wakes up, so he gets up, he has his treats, he goes downstairs and uses the litter box, and then he falls asleep downstairs. So when he wakes up sometime around 8 o'clock, this is what I get. But he's my sweet beezor. Yeah, you sweet boy. Pippin's laying on top of my cotton box. All right, you guys. I will check in with you in a little bit. Hi, you guys. So I'm back for my advent calendar unboxings. By the way, I thought I had mentioned this the other day, but both of these came from Aldi. So I actually went in for the cheese one and ended up with wine and chocolate instead because they were already sold out. But anyway, so this is day 4. I did the same thing as yesterday. We already pre-opened everything so you didn't have to listen to the boxes. That's what my lunch chocolate looks like. And that is a mousse with nougat and chocolate. Oh, my flash is still on from where I was taking pictures yesterday. Of course, it took me that long to figure that out. And today's wine is our first red. This one is from Spain. Let's see, it says, rounded with fruity and easy drinking, soft, mellow character. Serve at room temperature with cold meat, chicken, or vegetable and bean casseroles. So, there we go. I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Hi, you guys. So, settling in for the next round of working on finishing cards. I got insert stamped last night for this dozen cards. And, ooh, maybe I not, do things like cover up the camera. I tried to play with glitter embossing powder a little bit last night. I still don't know how I like that, but I'm going to have to roll with it at this point. I just got Goblet of Fire loaded up, so my Harry Potter marathon down here continues. My desk is still an absolute wreck. This is the embossing powder I used last night, just in case you're wondering. Anyway, I just wanted to check in again. My chamois is all filthy. I got to go dampen it again. But I will see you guys real soon. Hey guys, so I just came back down to work for a little bit more. I'm probably only going to go at it for another hour or two. I've got some, I've got a hot chai tea latte in my mug. I have my water. I just finished Goblet of Fire, so I'm going to go to YouTube for a little while. These are all the cards that I have addressed and ready to go. Those are the cards I still have left to finish. So anyway, I'm going to keep sitting here at my mess for a little while longer, and then I'll probably go upstairs and crochet for about an hour and get this spliced together and stuff before I head to bed. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi, you guys. I just wanted to come back and tell you guys good night. I almost forgot to film a sign off for tonight and upload this, so I'm going to get on that and I will catch you guys in the morning.